Welcome back. It's your boy Policy 707 coming at you with another video. And in today's episode, we're going to do an unboxing of the Hot Topic exclusive metallic Pennywise with a t-shirt combo set here. I'm here with my boy. You can follow him on IG, Bayside Pop Guy. I also call him Bayside Chase Guy because this guy has like one of the most chases in his collection that I know from any other collector. But we're about to do unboxing for you guys live right now, so let's check it out. So this one sold like quickly, like it sold out like in a matter of minutes.
Less than 5 minutes after it opened.
Yeah, in our local Hot Topic. So, you know, we're lucky we got the jump on it. So here we go, guys. So it comes with a nice cool t-shirt, a pop shirt with Pennywise. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, wow.
Yeah, that thing looks good.
Yeah, that looks really good. Oh, I like it. It says you'll float too. Damn, I wish they had in my size. Shit, I don't want to wear it.
That's what I'm saying. No love for the big guys.
Yeah, and then we also, me and my boy, we did a trade. He hooked me up with Carnage that I missed out on, the New York Comic Con exclusive, and then
A little bit of bar damage, but
wow, look at woo! That's
thing
sexy.
look good. That orange hair.
Yeah, look at the metallic shine. Yeah, the hair shines. The his clown outfit does. Metallic